Hello everyone, welcome to today's class on determiner. This is the second lesson on determiner. Here is a joke for you. Okay, listen to it. A thief was produced before the judge by the police. The thief had stolen eggs from a shop. The judge asked, "Why did you go to that shop late at night?" Thief, "To return the eggs." "Why?" "Those eggs were rotten." Okay, this is the joke. Look at the phrase, that shop, those eggs. The words like that, those are called determiners, and these determiners fall in the class of demonstratives. There are 4 demonstratives. They are this, that, these, those. You mark, they modify the words like shop and eggs. Here are some more examples for you. Look at them. This pen is new. That book is mine. These pens are new. Those books are mine. Can you identify 2 demonstratives which are used before singular nouns and other 2 which are used before plural nouns? Now you once again look at the examples and discover yourself. Remember that the demonstrative this or these is used to refer to things or people closer to the speaker. On the other hand, that or those used for things or people not closer to the speaker. Here is another joke for you. Listen to me. In a class, the lady teacher asked Raju, "Raju, can you guess my age?" Raju said, 30, miss. "How did you guess?" "I have a sister, she is 15 years old and she is half mad." So in this joke, you find 15 years old is the noun phrase. Here 15 is the determiner. 1, 2, 3, 4 are called cardinal numbers, and first, second, third, fourth are called ordinal numbers. Now here is a question for you. You just think and discover. Out of those numerals, only one numeral which is used before singular noun and other numerals are used before plural nouns. Can you find it? You think yourself. Moreover, note that both ordinals and cardinals can be used together side by side. For example, my first 2 videos on determiners. Here, ordinal first comes before the cardinal 2. Okay? Now let's discuss another class of the determiner. You all know about articles. A or an and the are called articles. A or an is used before singular count nouns. So listen to this joke. The geography teacher asked Raju, "Have you done anything to preserve our forest resources?" Raju said, "Yes, sir. Once I killed a woodpecker." So look at the noun phrase, a woodpecker. The geography teacher. Here, woodpecker is singular noun, so we used article a. On the other hand, a or an is not used before plural nouns. You cannot say a woodpeckers, but the definite article the is used before singular and plural nouns. You see the example, the geography teacher. You can also say The geography teachers. Here teacher is singular and here teachers plural. Okay. Moreover, both a or an and the are used for general reference. Look at the examples. A cow has 4 legs. The cow has 4 legs. Both sentences carry the same meaning. Plural count nouns referring to general cannot be used with the. For examples, cows have 4 legs. A cow has 4 legs. The cow has 4 legs. Cows have 4 legs. Same meaning for general reference. But the is not used before plural nouns to refer to general. You cannot say the cows have 4 legs. This is incorrect. Okay. Articles are not usually put before uncount nouns. For example, he gave me an advice. The water is colorless. But article the can be used before uncountable in specific reference. You can say the water you are drinking is dirty. Here water is specific, not general. That's why we can use article the. Here is the last joke. You read it and identify determiners and name its class. Okay, so you read it. Attending one wedding ceremony for the first time, a little girl asked her mother, "Why is the bride dressed in white?" Her mother said, "White is the color of happiness, and today is the happiest day of her life." "Then why is the groom wearing black?" asked the daughter. Hope you enjoy the lesson. This is easy and interesting. I think you will like this. Thank you.